The Frog Story. Once upon a time, a group of frogs lived all their lives in a deep, dark, old well. These frogs tried to jump higher and higher each day to see what is above this vertical tunnel. Unfortunately, not one frog was able to jump as high as the old well's surface. One day, a tiny frog started clinging on the walls, wanting to take a peek in the worlds above. This tiny frog jumped and jumped as the others have done, but it could not even reach the halfway of the well. The elder frog arrogantly amused, "What are you doing? Are you crazy? All our lives we have been striving to reach that peak, but all of us failed. We are old now and we have lost hope to see what's up there. If we were not able to make it, how much more for a tiny frog like you? You're so thin and look so pale. You'd better quit now before you hurt yourself. You're just wasting your time." The skinny frog would not hear any of those discouraging words. It just continued to jump day after day, months after months, year after year, until one day, the tiny frog made the highest jump of his life and did it. It reached the surface of the deep, dark, old well. "Wow!" the little frog exclaimed. "It's very beautiful here. The sun shines, the flower bloom, the water is crystal clear. It's like paradise here." While the tiny frog enjoys the beauty of nature, the frogs left inside the old well shouted and begged the tiny frog to help them out of the well. But the little frog just hopped and hopped farther as it enjoys the beauty and abundance it witnesses at the surface of the well. Did arrogance and vengeance fit on the tiny frog's mind? Or has it not heard the pleading of his fellow amphibians? The truth is, the tiny frog is neither arrogant nor vindictive. Even from the beginning, he hears nothing of the insult and discouragement because the tiny frog is actually deaf since birth. Most of us are easily discouraged or frustrated if someone tells us that we are not good enough to do anything. We easily give up on our dreams and ambitions to these dream stealers. Dear friend, do not let anyone take your dreams away from you. No one should stop you from fulfilling your aspirations. It is yours to fulfill. You must possess the same attitude manifested by that tiny frog. Be deaf on all disheartening criticisms. Remember that the greatest pleasure in life is to do the things that other people say you cannot do.